Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. It's hot and humid outside, and I am in the mood for a margarita. But not just any margarita. I'm starting with 4 cups of chunked watermelon. I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar. And then I've really been into pomegranate juice lately. It's, supposed to be one of those miracle juices, and I like the tartness of it. So I'm going to add half a cup of pomegranate juice. You have to have some margarita mix in there. So I'm going to add half a cup of margarita mix. Then of course you need tequila. So I'm going to put 1/3 of a cup of tequila in there. Then we take it for a ride. Just like that. And I like salt on the rim of my margarita, so I'm going to dip the glass in here. And then I have pink salt, very appropriate. Now I pour myself a serving. Then I just garnish it with a little wedge of watermelon. Tell me that doesn't look refreshing. It's delicious. It's very refreshing. I love the pomegranate juice in it. And of course watermelon I love anyway. And I have to tell you that margarita in Spanish means daisy. And the history of the margarita, well, it's rather a mystery drink, because there are probably about a dozen different stories about who invented it and where they invented it, but most likely it was invented in the late 1930s in Mexico, and it was probably named after a beautiful woman like you.